Okay, so first thing is before you put that hook on, you're gonna get a bullet weight. I like to use 1/4 ounce bullet weights, and then when you feed it in the line, make sure you're putting it towards the bullet, towards the reel. Boom, just like that. Get your hook. Get it on there. About 5 spins. Now you find your hole. Right there. And make sure you don't forget that other hole to loop it through. So now you want to put this tip right here through this other hole. Just like that. And now clench it down. Just like that. Always leave a little bit. And there you go. That's your setup right there. First one is the Palmer. Put your line in half like that. Make sure you pinch the end real good. Put it through the eye. Like that. Just tie a knot. Make sure you pull enough out here. Tie a knot. Now with that extra loop there from the knot, go around your hook and you pull it down. Cinch everything down. Just like that. There's your Palmer's knot. And then you just clip the end. Just like that. So here's the improved clinch knot. You just go through the eye like that. Make sure you pull enough back. And then spin your hook about 5 times. And then you find that hole by the eye there. Put your line through that hole. Sometimes you gotta lick the tip. And then get it in there. It goes in real good. And then so make sure after you pull it through like that, you want to get it through this loop right here. So now I'm putting that piece, the end, through that other loop. Now I'm clenching everything down like that and just pull it down just like that. And that's the knot that I've used for a really long time. It works great. You just got to make sure you clench it down like that really good. And then when you cut this little piece off, make sure you leave enough so if it slips, about like that much right there. That way, especially if it's braid, it does slip a little bit. That's why you just leave that little piece. This is about a 7-inch ribbon tail worm. It's my favorite Texas style plastic worm to use. So how I rig it here is I like these 4 to 5 aught hooks, worm hooks, but these ones have an offset right here. That little offset right there. That's how much you measure the tip of your head. So that's how much you want to go on with the head of your worm right there. So just a little bit, and then from there you go to the side and you go out the side just like that right there, and then you slide it through. And then once you get to the end there, you give it a twist, so now it's facing outward. And then now you're measuring the tip on the body, the tip of the hook on the body, where it's going to end up. So about right there with my finger, and now I'm just sliding it through. And I like to hook them like that, so the tip of the hook's buried in the body. And the secret is with these is you want to get that worm as straight as possible. extremely straight. That's why it looks really natural when it's swimming in the water. The straighter, the better. Nice one. Come on, girl. I think you got a male too. Nice eater. Woo! Woo! All right, the bite.